Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. We are at the Baxter Cycle Garage, one of their work areas. But boy, have we got a treat today. Royal Enfield Interceptors. I got two of those and I've got a Continental GT, but what's special about these is this one's got S&S pipes. This one's got the pipe from the head all the way back is S&S. This one's got a TEC 2-in-1. Check that out. Isn't that just amazing? Good looking. There's that, yeah, that S&S is just gorgeous. And then this one we saw last week, or a week or so ago. This is the Zard, and I put those on myself. So this is Continental GT, Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 with the Zard slip-ons. So this is new from here up, and we took the restrictors out of them, so we don't have those to contend with. So let's just go over the looks. I am smitten with this particular pipe, and I love the Zard look. I just love the way they look. Absolutely gorgeous. Second place for me is this gorgeous system. Okay, I don't know. It's hard to pick one over the other. I just like the shiny look of those, I guess. But look at that brushed stainless steel look. You know, this has got, like I said, a pipe from all the way from front. All that means the pre-cat's gone, the cat's gone. And then this over here is the TEC 2-in-1. So, you know, pipes all on the right side. All new from this, you know, from the heads up. Just an absolutely gorgeous thing. Look at those welds, just beautiful, 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 beautiful. And I don't know if the baffle's out of that or not. Out of these, I don't know if there's. I think this one is out because there's a hole there. But just gorgeous products. We'll talk about pricing. I think this system, from the head back, that's everything, is $1350 or something like that. S&S exhaust system, $1,350, yeah, $1,350. So that's everything from here all the way back. This system here, I believe, is $450, and I mean, that's just a fabulous price. I've ridden bikes with this. I've ridden this bike with the S&S, and I've ridden bikes with this system on it. It just sounds great. And then this system here, the slip-ons from here to here, Zards, I think those are $900. Those are all available at BaxterCycle.com. By the way, all of this is available at BaxterCycle.com. Let's do a little talk about each bike real quick. This one has got the skin soft, it says. This is actually a seat cover, so it's a stock seat with a seat cover. And the seat cover is got a little bit of padding on it, so it increases the comfort there. It's got a skin shift, I guess it says. Bag on the side, and it's got this nice, really cool looking belt on the front. Just gorgeous system. Shifting over to this bike. So it's got different grips, heading bar, different mirror, different blinkers and taillight. Look at that taillight, isn't that just gorgeous? I think that's a stock seat, I'm not sure. This is black, where these are gold. I'm not sure if that's a different shock or if that's just a add-on that they did. And of course, it's got the different side covers, Diablo side covers. Just a gorgeous looking thing. And then they put this grill on the front. They put a grill on the front of this one? Nope, they didn't. And then stepping over to this last one, this one's got the Diablo seat on it. I do like the way that looks, by the way. Nice, flat, long. And Diablo side covers, and this one says 650 in the same color as this, or close to it. Just a gorgeous, oh, engine guards too. Grill guard. This is the one where they put the, I think these are a different kind of handlebar. I remember this bike now, yeah. Built well grips. Just a gorgeous thing. I drove this bike and I just loved it. Just fell in love with it. But so what do these sound like? Well, let me get back to you in a minute. I got to get the garage door open. Okay, let's put a bike in neutral. Okay, we're in neutral. Power on. This is the S&S motorcycle. We'll let that idle for a minute. Very good sounding. Gorgeous. I love it. What do y'all think of that one? That's the S&S. I I wish we could take it out, but look out here, we got snow on the ground everywhere. And like I said before, I'm not snow rated, so. Beautiful. Okay, so that's that bike. 650 Interceptor with the S&S pipes. Let's jump over to the, let's do this one with the Diablos. This bike does not have a center stand, so we can't do it that way. So this has the, let's jump over to the Zard equipped pipes, I'm sorry. We're in neutral, let's hit it. It seems a little bassier to me. Like I said, I'm biased towards these pipes. I like these pipes. Very good sounding to me at idle. Beautiful, beautiful. That's the Zard slip-ons. They're due from here up. Alright, now let's hop over to this hot rod. This is a 650 Interceptor. That was a Continental GT. And this has got the TEC pipe on it, that gorgeous TEC pipe. So let's see what we got here. Are we in neutral? Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, let's get on the other side. There's no pipe on this side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's let it warm up a minute. Look at that taillight. Isn't that just gorgeous? Baxter Cycle sells all these accessories. Just get on their line, baxtercycle.com. I love the way it looks. I really do like that look. Isn't that just gorgeous? Wow. That is a real winner, my friends. I like it. Very poppy. Wow. What do y'all think? Which one's your favorite? Okay, I'm going to try to get some help in here. We'll get all three of them running at the same time and see what kind of a concert we can get going for y'all, okay? Comment below. Tell me which ones you like best. You like the Zards? That's our $900 option with the slip-on. Do you like the TEC pipe, 450 bucks? 2-in-1 pipe from the head all the way to the back? Or at $1350, the S&S, that's all the way new from here all the way back. Just, yeah, fabulously good looking. Just, wow. Look at the finish on these. Isn't that just, you know, just amazing. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Wahoo. We've got the TEC pipe going. He just lit up the Zard. These are all professionals. Don't try this at home. I'm going to hit the S&S.